egg sandwich. My husband just brought me breakfast in bed. I have more rehearsals for Trishapaytas today. Come see me in Long Beach, November 30th, this Sunday, 4 days away. Happy early Thanksgiving. Let's bite into this. I don't know if it's a runny egg. Let's see. I love a runny egg. Wow. He really did that. Oh, delicious, thank you. I was saying how wonderful you are. I love the runniness.
Well, they're not as runny as they could have been.
They're perfect.
Because the timing of it, the muffins took so long to toast.
Well, they're delicious. I think they're perfect. That runny egg.